Many students believe the one way to move to Germany is through university. But what if I tell you there is another pathway where you can learn a passion and earn a salary at the same time? Yes, you can actually move to Germany, receive professional training, and earn around 900 to 1,200 euro per month while learning. This program is called Ausbildung, and thousands of international applicants are using it to start their careers in Germany. In this video, I will explain what is Ausbildung is, who can apply, how much you can earn, and the exact steps foreigners use to apply successfully. Welcome to TripDog. On this channel, I share real opportunities to study abroad, work abroad, and travel legally. If you want more opportunities in Germany, Europe, Canada, and other countries, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next opportunity. Ausbildung is a Germany's vocational training system. Instead of only studying in a university classroom, Ausbildung combines practical work and classroom learning. This means you spend part of your time working in a company, learning practical skills, attending vocational schools. The training usually lasts between 2 to 3.5 years, depending on the profession. During this time, you receive a monthly salary from the company training you. Germany introduced this system because companies need skilled workers. For official information about working and training in Germany, you can check Make It in Germany. One of the biggest advantages of Ausbildung is that you can earn money while learning. The salary usually increases every year. Typical month salary looks like this. First year, around 800 euro to 1,000 euro. Second year, around 900 euro to 1,100 euro. Third year, around 1,000 euro to 1,200. The exact amount depends on the industry and the company. Although this salary is not extremely high, it is usually common to cover basic living expenses. And after completing Ausbildung, many trainees receive a full-time job contract from the same company. Germany offers more than 300 different Ausbildung professions, but some are especially popular among international applicants. Examples include healthcare, nursing assistant, hotel and hospitality management, restaurant specialist, construction trades, electrical electrician, mechanical technician, logistics specialist, IT specialists. Many of these industries are currently facing worker shortages, which is why Germany welcomes skilled trainees. To apply for Ausbildung in Germany as a foreigner, we generally need a secondary school certificate, basic German language skill, usually B1 or B2 level, a training contract from a German company, a valid passport, proof of accommodation, and financial support. Language is very important because the training and work environment are mostly conducted in German. The first step is learning German. Most Ausbildung programs require at least B1 or B2 German language level because you will communicate with colleagues, customers, and teachers. Step 2, prepare your documents. You will need German style CV, Lebenslauf, motivation letter, school certificates, German language certificate, passport copy. Your CV should follow German application format. Step 3, search for Ausbildung positions. The next step is to find companies offering Ausbildung training positions in Germany. There are several websites where companies post Ausbildung opportunities. One of the best places to start is the official government portal, Make It in Germany. This website provides information about working and training in Germany. And you can also search for jobs and training programs. Another popular platform is Ausbildung.de. This website lists thousands of vocational training opportunities across different industries in Germany. You can also search on global job platforms such as Indeed. Simply type the keywords Ausbildung and the profession you are interested in. For example, Ausbildung nursing, Ausbildung hospitality, Ausbildung electrician. You will find companies offering training positions in different cities across Germany. Send your application to multiple companies. Your application should include a CV, cover letter, certificates. Companies may invite you for an online interview. If the company accepts you, they will send you an Ausbildungsvertrag, which is training contract. This contract confirms your training program, salary, duration of training. After receiving the contract, you apply for the German Ausbildung visa at the German embassy in your country. The embassy will review your documents and decide whether to grant the visa. One of the biggest advantages of Ausbildung is what happens after the training is completed. Many trainees receive a permanent job contract from the company where they trained. This means they can continue working in Germany, apply for long-term residence permits, eventually qualify for permanent residency. This makes Ausbildung one of the most practical pathways to build a career in Germany. If you want me to make another video explaining how to find Ausbildung companies in Germany, how to apply for Ausbildung step by step, and how to write the German CV companies expect, comment Ausbildung below. And if you found this video helpful, share it with someone who wants to work or build a career in Germany.